Everyone, we've got to switch gears for a hot second here as Amazon has just reported earnings, ticker symbol AMZN. You're seeing shares move lower on the instant reaction and after hours earnings. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Jared Blickery, who has had some time to dive in on the results here. Jared, what do you see?
Some pretty big misses. They took a big hit on Rivian, and I think that's contributing to some of the outsized disappointments that we're seeing here. So their first quarter loss per share was $7.56. You heard that right. It's a loss per share. Wall Street was expecting a profit of $8.40. So net sales came in at $116.44 billion. Estimate was right around there, so that's in line. Online stores net sales pretty much in line, $51.13 billion, a little bit less than the street estimate. AWS, as Amazon Web Services, net sales of $18.44 billion, up 37%. It did beat the estimate, and there were some concerns they would not be able to do that. But check out some of these numbers here. Operating margin, 3.2% versus the estimate of 4.7%. Operating income of $3.67 billion when the estimate was for about $2 billion higher, $5.42 billion. And then in terms of their forecast, they're saying second quarter net sales of $116 billion to $121 billion. The estimate was for $125 billion, so really big miss there for the current quarter. And they're assuming that guidance assumes that Prime Day occurs in the third quarter of 2022. And then also they're working through inflationary and supply chain pressures, and they're also saying that delivery speeds are approaching pre-pandemic levels. But you can see the stock price there down about 10%. And just on that, one note on Rivian, they're saying the first quarter 2022 net loss includes a pre-tax valuation loss of $7.6 billion, and that comes from their common stock investment in Rivian Automotive. So some pretty big disappointments here. Stock was down as much as 11.5%, guys.